In this video, I will show you step by step how to take a full-page screenshot on a Windows 11 laptop. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to capture an entire web page or long screen, not just the part you can see, and also save it as an image or file. And if this video does help you out today, be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 and tech-based tutorials. Now to do this, what I'm going to do is use Google Chrome as an example. So I'm going to come across to google.com and just Google search for Tech Tutor. So you'll notice that when I search for this, of course, it's quite a lot of information that comes up. And if you just try and screenshot, you're only going to get the part you see. However, if you want to screenshot the full page, what you want to do is right click anywhere onto a blank space. And on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto inspect. Now what that's going to do is open up this window on the right hand side. From here, you want to come up to the top and click onto this icon here where it says toggle device toolbar. Now what this is going to do is change the window slightly on the left hand side. And if you actually come up to the top and click onto the three dots here where it says more options, you're going to see an option to capture a full-size screenshot. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is actually capture the full-size screenshot and save it as a PNG on your Windows 11 laptop. So it's going to be in your downloads folder, and if I click to open this up, you're going to see we now have a full-page screenshot using the inspect tool on Google Chrome. So that is how to take a full page screenshot on your Windows 11 laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.